This movie sucks.
The movie hasn't even started. These are just trailers.
Yeah, shut up, Courtney.
What's the movie about?
Iceberg.
What?
I've already seen Titanic.
No, it's about this spy who lives in an iceberg.
How the hell is that possible?
Iceberg? It's a country, Chloe.
There is no country called Iceberg, you stupid bitch.
It's literally on a map.
Iceberg isn't a country.
It's Iceland. You clearly don't know your biology.
He's gonna get shot. Told you. And now he's gonna jump out of the window. He'll probably go back to...
Chloe, shut the up.
What? I wasn't even talking.
Shut up.
Don't tell me
Shut up.
That's the rudest
Shut
thing.
up.
Is there a problem here, girls?
Yeah, kick Chloe out.
Wow.
Please keep it down.
He's totally gonna punch him.
Chloe.
I'm gonna slash your tires.